Hey guys, I'm the Rusty Autoholic guy. This is Jacob. We still need to come up with a name for you. We'll figure that out eventually. Jacob's not a great name.
Yeah. It's pretty common.
Yeah. So anyway, we're back at it again. We were thinking about moving into the engine bay, but then I kind of realized we have this beautiful twin stick shifter for the doubler and the transfer case, and then the Winters Carr shifter for the automatic. And I kind of realized we need to go ahead and mount those and route the lines for it before we start really figuring out the fuel, the exhaust, and everything else, which is what we were going to tackle. Yep. So, and I have, it's not built yet, this is the GenRight aluminum center console. This one's blank, nothing's been cut out, so we're gonna have to cut it out. But this is gonna be the narrow center console for the TJ. So we're gonna go ahead and build most of this today. We're gonna take all the old shifting assembly out, including the e-brake, mount this, and start figuring out where everything's going. And if we get all of that done, we'll do another video. Time lapse. Okay guys, so didn't nearly do as much as we thought. That was a little bit more tricky to put together than we were expecting. Didn't come with instructions, but I haven't been able to get a computer up. Their mobile site didn't have instructions. Very well could be you go to the desktop site, instructions. But we've kind of figured out what we're wanting. Basically, we spent the majority of today figuring out where I wanted all the shifters. Hadn't really ever thought about it, but considering we're going to a custom center console, kind of makes sense to try to make it comfortable for me because this is being built for me. So what you are not going to see on this channel, because I am not a machinist, Jacob has a friend that is a machinist, so we are going to send him with this. This is the top plate that goes there. When you buy these from GenRight, you can get it pre-cut out for this Winters Carr shifter. However, it is pre-cut out for a left-hand drive. I obviously have a right-hand drive, so the cutout was going to be way over here. It's offset towards the driver. I wanted mine offset towards me. So
Custom work.
right. So his friend is going to cut it out so this will slide in and fit perfectly here, and we're telling him to just move it as far right as possible. Actually, you know, we also kind of didn't figure out the height. Well, even the way it's sticking out now, it's not going to hit the radio. So yeah, we're going to say as high as possible, as far right as possible, so it's comfortable for me. So in the next video, hopefully this will be cut out, and we will start mounting that center console. We're going to mount the shifter into here, get it so it feels good for me. And then we still have some figuring out to do on the transfer case shifters from JB Custom Fabrication. Again, fantastic product, great quality. I'm really looking forward to using it. Haven't quite figured out how we're going to cut the holes in the aluminum yet, but you know, that can be done. But no, it's going well. So it doesn't look like a lot of work was done, but this was necessary. We had to figure out where we were going to put stuff. Sorry about that. So anyway, leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, you know what to do. And hey, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. If you have, as always, thank you. And we'll see you in another video very soon. Goodbye.
Peace out.